You gotta know I'm hungry to get rich.
You better be on the show that we ship out to like individuals that place an order.
How big are the shipment? Like long?
What? The individual?
Yeah. No. Well, okay. If y'all shipping out every day, like partial.
Stores that we do have, that's gonna be distribution. That's gonna be the warehouse type stuff. We will ship them if they want certain snacks. They'll go at like LTL. These individual orders over here, these boxes, we stack them up over here because UPS and like DHL and stuff come and pick those up.
What's up, everybody? This is Dex with K&K Logistics. Right now, we're at the distro site. We're going to meet a carrier that we just signed on. He has a new authority, a 40-foot gooseneck trailer with the CDL. This is his first load, or it's his third load. This is his first time actually picking up loads to come and take it to California. And we're just gonna meet him real quick, and also see if we could, talk to somebody up here at the actual supply center, maybe a shipping manager or something like that. That's our guy behind us. He already has 3 loads, or 2 loads that we stacked for him on his trailer. This is the 3rd load he's picking up. And we're gonna see if we can talk to a shipping manager about getting a dedicated lane as well. So stay tuned. Care if y'all need, I know it's customer, you said it's customer routed. So I mean, if y'all ever want to recommend, hey, we need some expedited freight, shipped out right now, give me a call. I always have carriers that can carry in this area. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. You have no sign here, and then
Yes, sir.
card.
Use that card if you need
Okay.
it. Seriously. All right.
We'll put chunks on them. We'll put 1, 2, and then the other one on top of it. Just drag one down. You got
don't get nothing for loading anything. I don't want anything for loading.
All right, what's going on, everybody? It's kind of a gloomy day in Houston, but this is Dex with K&K Logistics. Right now, we're headed to the warehouse pickup for our dedicated lane we got going from Texas to Florida. We just secured it last week, and we're gonna show you the footage of this. It's gonna be pretty cool, so stay tuned.
Yeah, that's okay, but then I give it to him so that he can keep it up.
Loaded. Houston, Texas to Florida. Got my man Francisco, where you taking it to?
Hollandale Beach, Florida.
It's a distribution center, warehouse. You got a reefer, dry van, any type of equipment where you can haul over the road. You got your own authority and insurance. Give us a call. It's a freight dispatching company, K&K Logistics, 281-865-5194.